Today we are going to be working on this alphabet dinosaur puzzle. Are you ready to get started? Okay, let's go. Mrs. Scull's Adventures. You want to dump it out?
Go pick them.
You're going to pick them up?
Yeah.
Okay, which one do we have here?
This is the letter A.
Very good. What's next?
B is next. B is next.
Good job. Where does B go?
Over here. This is C.
C says k.
C goes over here.
Good job. What does A say?
Ah.
What does B say?
B.
Good. We're doing a great job with our letters and our sounds. What letter is that?
This is D.
What does D say?
D.
Good work.
This is the word E.
Okay, where does it go?
How about over here?
Nice work. What does E say? We have to close our mouth a little bit and say
Eh.
Yes, there you go. Okay, where's the next letter?
F.
And what does F say? Nice job. And what is the next letter?
J.
Yes, G, the letter G. And what does G say?
J.
And G can also say G. Okay, our next letter that we have is, what's the name of the letter? H. And what does H say? Good, and that's a breath sound. You'll use our breath to say it.
This is the word I.
Good job. What does I say? I says I. Yes,
For
like
igloo.
igloo or inchworm. And then the long sound can say I. What is this letter?
J.
What does J say?
J.
Very nice.
This is the word L.
What does L say?
O.
Good. Oh. You have to put your tongue behind your top teeth. Oh. Like lollipop. Or
Lollipop.
lion.
Lion.
Okay, and what letter is that?
J.
Yes, J, and then?
K.
And what does K say?
K.
Yes, like king or
King.
kangaroo.
Kangaroo. This is the word N.
Ooh, what's this letter?
N.
What does N say? Close. We put our tongue behind our top teeth and go, Good job. Like Nancy.
Nancy.
Or Ned.
Ned.
Or no.
No. This is the
What is this letter?
N.
N says
It goes right here.
You put your lips together for this one. You put your lips together and you say, That food was so good. For mama.
Mama.
What is this letter?
O.
Good. What does O say? Nice, like ostrich or
Ostrich.
octopus.
Octopus.
Or the long O sound says O.
O.
Remember, the long sound says its name. O. What letter is next? P. P says, good, like penguin,
Penguin.
or pear,
Pear.
or pink, like this
Pink.
dinosaur. It's pink. What's the next letter?
Popcorn.
Oh, yeah, P for popcorn. Good job. What is this letter's name?
R.
Good, and R says?
R.
Good, like a pirate. Like rhinoceros. And ring.
Rain.
And rain, yes. What is this letter's name?
Q.
Q. What does Q say?
Qua.
Like queen or quilt. Okay, and what is this letter's name? That's the sound. Good job. What's the name?
T.
Good. T says t, like tree or
Tree.
two
Two.
or teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
Very good. What's the next letter's name?
Hat.
It is like a hat, right? He's sitting on top of the R. What is this letter's name? Good, that's the sound. What is the name?
S.
Good. S reads like snake. See how the S looks like a snake? It's all curled up. Ooh-wee. It's like a little snake. Snake. What's the next letter's name?
U.
And U says?
And
And the long sound says you or ooh. So that one has a lot of sounds. And by the way, it's Q, R, S, T, U. I think we did this one first, so we got that a little out of order. But that's okay, we just try our best. What's the next letter?
I don't know.
Let's see. Q, R, S, T, U. Oh, you found it.
Dinosaur.
What's its name?
How about this dinosaur?
What's the letter's name?
V.
And what does V say?
V.
Good, like vole or
Vole.
vulture
Vulture.
or violin.
Violin.
Or I love you very, very much.
I love you very, very much.
The word very has the V sound. Okay, what's the next letter?
It's stuck.
Uh-oh. I'll help you. What is the next letter's name?
What?
Q, R, S, T, U, V. What's the name of the letter?
W.
W, and W says?
What?
Like walrus
X.
or whale
X.
or what?
X.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. What's this letter's name?
X.
And what does X say? That's a tricky one. It says x, x, x. And what is that letter's name?
Y.
What does Y say? I'll put it in. There you go. What does Y say?
Yeah.
Good job. Like yes, or yellow. And what's the last letter's name?
I don't forget yak. Yak.
Yak has the y sound too. Good thinking. And we have this letter. What is this letter's name?
Z.
And what does Z say?
Zebra.
What's the name for Z? Or sorry, what's the sound for Z? Good job for zebra or zipper.
Zipper.
Very nice. Look at all of our ABC dinosaurs. We did a great job.
Here's playing.
Do you want to sing it together?
Yeah. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Thank you for joining us, friends, as we learn more about our ABCs. I hope you had fun doing this puzzle with us. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Just keep trying your best, and you'll learn more each day.
Let's put it
We
back
love
in this
you.
bucket.
Bye, friends.
Let's put it back in this bucket.
Okay, now let's put back our toys.